Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amal, and in this video I might get a neon albino monkey. Let's see. She's my friend. I'll hit accept. She's saying I don't know. Please, please do it. Oh, let me tell her I'm recording because yeah, it's important for people to know. Let's see what does she do. Okay, she wants me to add. I'm gonna tell her I'm recording. I'm recording. Because I cannot just tell people that it's important for them to know. I'm gonna add a metalbox, like yeah, that's fine. She just wanted me to add a little tiny bit. So yeah, I think a metalbox will do the job. Will she do it? Will she not do it? Let's see what happens, guys. I really want to get this neon albino monkey. Ooh, I'll add an ocean egg. Yeah, I can add an ocean egg. So yeah, this girl with the mega neon frost dragon, the mega neon shadow dragon. I'll add, what to add? An albino bat. Yep, that's good. Please do it. I really want her to do the trade. Sometimes it freezes. My trades break sometimes, guys. Comment down below if it has happened to you guys. She wants me to add more, seriously. I don't know what to add. Let's just add a monkey. I don't have a lot of things to add. Yeah. Please do it. I'm kind of over, if I be honest. Come on, she needs to do it. There's some trades happening in the back with the Mega Neon Shadow and the Mega Neon Frost Dragon. Please do it. I'm over, literally. At this point, I'm over. Let's see. Okay, my friend is not responding at the moment. Oh my god, seriously, please do it. I'm tired now. Mega Frost Dragon, oh my god, like, I'm crazy over these things. I wish I had one. I don't even have a normal Frost. I think my friend's AFK, so forget her. Let me check. Do it. I'm literally over at this point. Please do it. Like, according to my calculations. Ooh, okay, we're in the second trading window. Let's see what happens. Is she gonna do the trade? Is she gonna do the trade? I'm over at this point. Seriously, do it. She needs to do it. Oh my god, she did the trade. Yeah, I'm so happy got to be an albino monkey. Yay. Where is it? Let me equip it. I cannot see it. Yeah, it's so cute. I'm so happy I got it. It's only readable, but that's totally fine. Okay, we got a trade. I'm gonna save TYSM. Thank you so much. I'm so happy I got the trade. Guys, I'm gonna name it. There's so many people sending me trade requests. Okay, I'm gonna name it Cloudy. I like the name Cloudy. Oh, are you kidding me? It tags out. Oh, I'm mad. I want a Frost Dragon. Okay, Frost Dragon. Okay, let me just name this real quick. Or I want to name it Glow. That's a pretty cute name. Where is she? I cannot literally find nothing when I need. Why does everything tagging out? This is annoying me. Sorry. Okay guys, so this is it from video. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, smash the like button, hit the notification bell, and see you guys next time. Then bye.